Pepper, the chatty parrot from Hope Zoo. Now, every child who ever visited Hope Zoo in Kingston knew one thing. You couldn't leave without saying hello to Pepper, the chattiest parrot in the whole of Jamaica. Pepper wasn't just any parrot. Oh no. He had a bright green coat, a beak as sharp as his comebacks, and a talent for minding everybody's business. If you said something near his cage, best believe he'd repeat it louder than you said it. "Good morning, I'm ready for chat," he'd squawk as visitors arrived. But one Friday morning, Pepper woke up feeling extra mischievous. He had overheard the zookeepers talking about a big event. A school field trip from Mona Prep was coming to visit. Field trip? That mean excitement! Pepper chuckled, flapping his wings. Time to spice up Hope Zoo with little Pepper performance. So when the first group of children arrived, Pepper started his act. "Who left them lunch pan the bus?" he blurted out, mimicking one of the teachers perfectly. The whole class burst out laughing. Next thing you know, Pepper was pretending to be a lion. "Roar! Give me some chicken, man," he shouted. The kids screamed in delight, but the zookeeper, Miss Della, wasn't so amused. "Pepper, behave yourself. Stop carry on before the supervisor, you hear me?" Pepper grinned. Supervisor, God for potty break." Miss Della herself couldn't help it. She burst out laughing too. But Pepper wasn't done yet. Later that afternoon, while everyone gathered by the turtle pond, he spotted a little boy sitting quietly. His name was Jaylen, and he looked a bit down. Pepper tilted his head. "Want to my little friend? You no laugh like the rest of them." Jaylen smiled weakly. "Me not have much to say, Pepper. Me just like watch. Watch. Then you must smart. Parrot watch, parrot learn," Pepper said proudly. "You know me learn every word me hear just from watching and listening. Hey, maybe you's a parrot too." Jaylen finally laughed. A real belly deep laugh. The kind that made Pepper flap his wings in joy. From that day on, every time Jaylen visited the zoo, Pepper would call out, "Big up Jaylen, me watch and learn, brother." Word spread quick about the parrot who could make even the quietest child laugh. And though Pepper was full of jokes, he had one big lesson tucked inside his heart and inside all his chatter. Sometimes the loudest voice isn't the one that teaches the most. Sometimes it's the one who listens that truly learns.